We need more phones like the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Well, not just this phone in particular, but compact, powerful flagship smartphones. Hi, I'm Andrew and I'm going to tell you why we need more phones just like this. So the most appealing factor of a compact smartphone is the fact that it's, well, a compact smartphone. You can hold it comfortably with only one hand. One-handed usage is not impossible, like most smartphones nowadays, and it could even fit in your pocket very easily, which is something that can't be said of many smartphones in the market now. On top of that, one of the biggest weaknesses of compact smartphones have already been addressed lately. Yes, I'm talking about display size, and previously if you want a compact smartphone, you have to live with a smaller than usable screen. Typing would be a little bit difficult and even watching content is not particularly pleasant. But now that we have screens like notch displays, hole punch cutouts, or even an all-screen design, it's not that much of a problem anymore. In fact, the S10e's 5.8-inch display is very usable. Throughout my time reviewing this phone in the past, I didn't feel like I need a bigger display at all. If we were to look beyond just Android smartphones, there are even two phones that are, well, just like the S10e. That's right, it's none other than the iPhone X and the iPhone XS. Much like the S10e, both phones also come with 5.8-inch displays in a compact form factor. In fact, the existence of the iPhone X and XS itself should be enough incentive for other phone makers to release similarly sized devices. Like it or not, many manufacturers mimic Apple's product development. I mean, just look at the sheer amount of smartphones with notch displays after iPhone X was released. Now, before you tell me that there are a lot more compact smartphones in the market now, well, aside from the iPhone X and the XS, all of these feel like compromises. Take the Xiaomi Mi 9 SE for example. Even though it has a compact body like the S10e, it's only powered by a Snapdragon 712 processor and it's not particularly impressive in the camera department either. And going back to the S10e, it's actually still somewhat of a compromise too compared to its higher-end siblings. Sure, it has the same processor and it has similar camera performance, but you do not get the telephoto sensor found in the S10 and S10 Plus. Personally, it's not quite an issue for me because I would rather have an ultra-wide angle camera than a telephoto shooter, but at the end of the day, it's still a compromise. So to wrap it up, I really miss the Galaxy S10e after I reviewed it. Every phone that I've reviewed after that felt unnaturally big, including phones like the OnePlus 7 Pro or even the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus itself. I really miss the compact form factor of this phone, and even the 5.8-inch display doesn't sound particularly big. Never did I feel like I want a bigger display when I was using this phone. It's probably something that will never materialize, but one day I do hope that a compact smartphone does not feel like a compromise. One can dream, right? Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to check out our website nextrift.com to learn more about what I have talked about today.